Hi, I'm George, the Weather Dad, and it looks like we're going to be seeing some severe weather over the next 24 to 36 hours for the eastern half of the U.S. Specifically, for today and tonight, the National Weather Service, this is their severe weather outlook. The red area is a moderate risk, very high risk of seeing some severe weather. So what are we talking about here? Certainly severe thunderstorms, strong gusty winds, large hail potential, localized flooding, and a few isolated tornadoes could develop in this area. This whole area will be pushing its way towards the east, but the bulk of the energy will be shifting more towards the southeast, and you'll see that map here in just a second. But today and tonight, this whole area will be under the gun for some potential severe weather, so make sure you keep your weather eye out. Now, as far as Saturday is concerned, again, that area pushes east, but the bulk of the energy for Saturday will be focused more towards the southeast and the lower Tennessee Valley. But once again, we still have a slight risk right here in the Ohio Valley of seeing some severe thunderstorms. Okay, why? Well, it's been great around the Midwest over the last several days, and the potential is the fact that we have a developing storm system. This is on Saturday, and it's going to bring in some moisture. The warm air is already in place, and then you can see the cold air filtering in behind it. So where they clash is where we're going to have severe weather. And so today is going to be a great day. Tomorrow, well, that will be the changeable day as that cold air will filter in. And again, that will spark off potentially some severe weather. Temperatures on Sunday, you can see the colder air working its way in. We drop below the normals, normal highs around 50s, in the low to mid 50s throughout the Ohio Valley now. So we're going to be right there or slightly even a little bit below that. This is on our Sunday as that cold air pushes that nice warm air we've had over the last couple of days towards the southeast. By Monday, though, we start changing. Remember, this is spring, a transitional period, so we're going to have some nice weather and not so nice weather as we go through the end of March and on into your April. You can see, though, the nice warm-up again occurring out towards the west on our Monday. By Tuesday, that warm air does work its way back in. We'll be back into the 70s, certainly here in the Ohio Valley. But here comes that next system, and so by Wednesday, that's the transitional day for next week. You see that little warm air pocket there. There's that system again. And what's interesting is that these systems are moving towards the east and then they're shooting up towards the northeast. So you're going to see some cold air being tapped because of that, because of the track of the storm systems. That's on Wednesday. By Thursday, it does get chillier around here. In fact, we could be looking at some snow in the Ohio Valley, certainly some snow up into the Great Lakes region. And then we'll warm up again for the latter part of next week. Precipitation-wise, this is for your Saturday. You see the area of severe weather in the lower Mississippi Valley heading its way into the Ohio Valley. So it's going to be today, tonight, and tomorrow for this area of the country. Strong gusty winds, potentially some snow up into the Great Lakes there on Saturday. By Sunday, that area of severe weather pushes its way towards the east. Those of you along the eastern seaboard, southeast, that's where you're going to be under the gun. Some leftover showers, but it's going to be a breezy and chilly day right here in the Midwest on our Sunday. Monday, well, it dries out nicely. It's going to be a nice day. It's going to be about normal, slightly a little bit above normal, so we may sneak into the 60s briefly there on our Monday. But Tuesday, where it really is nice because temperatures will be in the 70s. It will be dry, but in time for the next system to work its way in. Again, Wednesday's the transitional day. Here it comes. It's going to get really wound up. I don't think this system is going to be as strong as the one we'll see over the next 24 to 36 hours, but we could still see some showers and thunderstorms along with it. And then by Thursday, well, the cold air is in place and there will be some precipitation around, so we could be looking at some light snow there on our Wednesday night and on into your Thursday. Cold air will filter on in, but after that, again, later on next week, we'll start warming up again. So make sure you keep your weather eye out over the next 24 to 36 hours. I'm George, the Weather Dad.